Functions and duties of a California Notary Public. Lesson 30 Fees. This section discusses the rules and regulations regarding the fees that a notary public can charge for their services. There are 4 important rules to consider. Rule 1. Maximum fees allowed. According to California Government Code Section 8211, there are maximum fees established by law that a notary public can charge. It is important for notaries to be aware of these maximum fees and ensure that they do not charge more than what is allowed by law. Rule 2. Fee discretion. Notaries public who are not employed by a state or county public agency have the discretion to decide whether or not to charge a fee for their services. They may choose not to charge a fee for certain services, such as completing a certificate of acknowledgment or providing a copy of their journal pages. In some cases, the notary's employer may also require them to provide services without charging a fee. Rule 3. Recording fees. Whether or not a fee is charged, it is mandatory for the notary public to record the actual amount charged in their sequential journal, even if the amount is 0. This means that for every notarial act performed, the notary must record the fee or indicate 0 in their journal to maintain an accurate record. This requirement is outlined in California Government Code Section 8206. Rule 4. Fee exemption for notaries employed by financial institutions. Notaries public who are employed by financial institutions and who perform protests as part of their duties for the institution are exempt from charging a fee. This exemption is stated in California Government Code Sections 8205, 8208, and 8211, as well as California Commercial Code Section 3505. Section 1. Maximum fees allowed. This section specifies the maximum fees that a notary public can charge for various services, $15 for each signature acknowledged in an acknowledgment or proof of a deed or other instrument, including the seal and writing the certificate. $15 for administering an oath or affirmation to one person and executing the jurat, including the seal. $30 for all services related to the taking of any deposition, with an additional $7 for administering the oath to the witness and $7 for the certificate to the deposition. $15 for certifying a copy of a power of attorney under California Probate Code Section 4307. $0.30 per line item copied from the notary public's journal. Section 2. Required fees. If a notary public is appointed as an employee of a state or county public agency, they are required to charge fees for all services provided, and those fees must be remitted to the employing agency. The actual fee charged should be recorded in the notary public's sequential journal. Section 3. When fees cannot be charged, there are specific instances when a notary public is prohibited from charging a fee. Notaries public appointed to military or naval reservations cannot charge a fee for any notarial service or act. A notary public acting in an official capacity on behalf of the state, city, county, or any public body cannot charge for notarization related to securing a pension. A notary public cannot charge for notarization of a signature on an application by a United States military veteran for a claim for a pension, allotment, allowance, compensation, insurance, or any other veteran's benefit. A notary public cannot charge for notarizing signatures on vote by mail ballot identification envelopes or other voting materials. A notary public cannot charge for notarizing any nomination document or circulator's affidavit.